you imagine that feeling when you know you look great? And better yet, when you feel great? Looking and feeling your best shouldn't be difficult, but we've made it difficult. Maybe even next to impossible. Because we've forced our bodies to work harder for little to no benefits for our health and wellness. Well, stop working harder, live smarter, and feel better off. Relief digestive enzymes are designed to transform the food you ate into materials your body can absorb and benefit from. Enzymes play a vital role in the bioavailability of nutrients. Raw food is delivered self-sufficient, with enzymes that are designed by nature for our bodies to absorb nutrients. Unfortunately, our modern design of cooking, processing, and pasteurizing depletes our food of enzymes, and our bodies suffer the consequences. Potential obesity, food intolerance, fatigue, weakened immune systems, greater risk of disease, premature aging, and a general feeling of poor emotional well-being may all be results of lack of digestive enzymes. Relief contains a broad array of plant-based fermented enzymes your body deserves for healthy digestion to break food down and effectively absorb nutrients. It also comes with probiotics, those healthy good bacteria required to help support the intestinal lining for that continued breakdown of food as it travels through the digestive system. After all, happiness literally begins in the belly. And so you can see, it's really not that complicated. Digest and absorb. And now, you can experience how easy it is to look and feel your best.